It comes with all the hookup hoses you need to install it, and including the electrical. Here is a profile of the toilet. It is a HOROW model number T38 smart toilet. I put the lid up so we can see that profile as well. And this seat is a heated seat. And I especially like the mechanism of the way the lid of the toilet will automatically go up and down. It comes equipped with a hole, and that will be used during installation for a safety bolt, where it will connect to the mounting bolts inside. Here's a full view of the back of the toilet with all the connections and the parts. Everything comes already pre-assembled where it needs to be hooked up to the toilet. You'll just have to connect those parts to your water and to your electrical plug. And here's the side that's going to go against your wall with the lid up. Here's a side shot of all that with the lid up. It's a beautifully designed toilet. It's very sleek. The design is so modern. This toilet does so much with a small, compact design. And at the bottom of the toilet is a kick button. It has a few different functions